Good morning, students. Today we are going to start here this NCERT math. All of you see this book, this NCERT math book. This book available in school. This NCERT math, science. All of you take this book. See, in this NCERT book, this first chapter is the fish tail. Here different types of fish picture you see here. Deep under the sea, deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish. See the colored fish swimming peacefully. You see here this colored fish in under the sea swimming peacefully. This special poem in 3 lines is called as a haiku. Such poems about nature are popular in Japan and which another haiku. This poem of this fish is called as a haiku. The lake calm, smooth, still, a fish jumps up and returns. This ripples shake the lake. Do you know any poem about fish? You know about fish poem? मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. Poem about fish. Here are some drawings made by these children. When you think of fishes, then what shapes come to your mind? See this fish, then you think of fishes. What shapes here? Here are different types of these triangles, square type of fish, half circles. Then you try to use a square and a triangle to draw a fish. You use a square. See here, square, triangle. Here also triangle. You draw a figure shape of this square and triangle, and by using these shapes you draw a one fish. Look for these fish designs around you on cloth in paintings. See this fish design. See in your home, on mat, on bed sheet, on your cloth. These fish designs. Mean means a fish. Mean M-E-E-N. Mean means a fish. And Meenakshi is a girl. Mean means fish and it is girl for Meenakshi, whose eyes look like a fish. Meenakshi means looks like a fish whose eyes. Then can you think of someone who has such eyes? Draw a fish with fish eyes. You draw here this figure of fish eyes. Then fishes can have different sizes. All fishes in same size? No, all fishes different sizes. The smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. Smallest fish is the smallest fish. Smallest fish 1 centimeter long. Smallest fish 1 centimeter long. How long is the biggest fish? Can you imagine? The smallest fish is 1 centimeter long. Then what is the biggest fish long? How many times longer is your bigger fish than the smallest fish? The biggest fish is the whale shark. You know biggest fish? Which is the biggest fish? Whale shark. Whale shark is the biggest fish. And it is actually not a whale but is a big fish. It is a big fish. Whales are this different from fish. Whales breathe like we do. They breathe through their nose. But fish have breathe through nose? No. They take in water, not air. Whale gives birth to babies. But fish lay eggs. The whale shark fish looks big and dangerous. This whale shark look like a big and dangerous, but it is a quite harmless. It does not attack humans. One whale shark has a long as 18 meter. Just think how long that it is. Almost 12 children of your size standing one on top of the other. When 12 children are standing, then you only just think how long it is. Your size this, 12 children of this size standing one on the top of the other, and guess what is weight? Well, such more than what 12 of you altogether weight. Its weight of about 16,000 kg. Whale shark long, 18 meter long. Whale shark long, 18 meter long, and weight 16,000 kg. 16,000 kg. Then the fish tail. Next one point, see here. To see the difference between these whales and fish, look carefully at their tails. Can you see that the fish tail stands flat along its body, but the tail of the whale almost looks like these two legs. See here, whale legs, it almost looks like two legs. Can you spot the fish in the picture? Then you draw here one the picture of this only. This fish tail, this whale fish tail looks like it is a two legs in this type. Only you draw this. Then schools of fish. These fish like to swim together in the sea in groups. This is called as a schools of fish. In a school, some students all together in this type. These fish like to swim together in the sea in big groups, and it is called as the schools of fish. In their school, they feel they safe from their bigger fish. In their school, they safe from their bigger fish, this whale type of fish. Then to square away the bigger fish, some small fish drink up a lot of water, swell up and look big in this type. This small fish, this drink up lot of water, swell up and look like a big. This Jansi used these shapes to make these drawings of fish. Now you also use some shapes to draw the different sea animals shown below. By using these different types of shapes, you draw the picture of these sea animals, which shapes given here: rectangle, circle, oval, cone, triangle, semicircle. By using these different shapes, you draw the different types of sea animals picture. Then which different types of sea animals? See, lobster, eel, sea urchin, red snapper, octopus, jellyfish, all these types of fish, parrotfish, cuttlefish, this silver pomfret, then different types of this crab, squid, clam, prawn. By using these different types of shapes, you draw these different types of sea animals. Then fishermen in their boats. How many of you have seen the sea, and where did you see it? Did you see it in movie or for real? In movie. How deep do you think the sea could be find out? Do you know how to swim in sea? Would you to be scared of these high sea waves? You close your eyes and imagine the sea with waves rising high. You close your eyes and imagine only how this in sea the water flows, the sea with waves rising high. Imagine that there are fishermen in their boats and they going up down with the waves, and they start their trip when it is still dark. Some go on a simple boat made from a logs of wood tied together, and if the sea is rough with very high tides and strong wind, then the fishermen have a very difficult time. See here, see this picture. These log boats do not go very far, and if the wind is helpful, they travel about 4 kilometers in 1 hour. Only in 1 hour they travel 4 kilometers. This log boat travel in 1 hour 4 kilometers. Then how long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometers? In 1 hour 4 kilometers. Then how long will they take to go a distance of in 10 kilometers? Then guess how far you can go in 1 hour if you walk fast. Only you imagine this. This fisherman can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. Many of us would get lost and not be able to find our way on the sea, where you only see water, nothing else. Fishermen can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. See, what a catch! Out on the sea, fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. Here, what a long this swordfish. This type of fish is swordfish. There they spread their nets. They will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nets. Look at the different types of boats here. Some boats have motors and go further into the sea. Since they far out, they can catch more fish, and these boats travel faster. Means in 1 hour they can go in 20 kilometers. The speed of this boat 1 hour 20 kilometers. This small boat, log boat, they travel in 1 hour only 4 kilometers. Then next one again here, different types of boats given. Then this remaining part tomorrow. Okay.